Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring where you stand now, run a speed test, and write down download and upload Mbps. Once done, restart your modem and router to clear transient faults. This often fixes slow spikes. Make sure you test on a wired device to get an accurate baseline, because Wi-Fi adds variables. Also scan for obvious interference, microwaves, baby monitors, thick concrete walls, and move the router to a more central, elevated spot before you continue. You now optimize the middle layer. Log into the router, update firmware, and set strong WPA3 or WPA2 security so devices aren't wasting bandwidth on intruders. Once secured, change channels to avoid neighbors. Use 5 GHz for close, high-speed devices and 4 GHz for range. Then, enable Co-S or device prioritization so your work laptop or streaming box gets bandwidth preference. Make sure background auto-updates and cloud sync are paused on non-essential devices to reclaim throughput. You finish by validating improvements. Run another speed test after each tweak and compare to your baseline to see what helped. If wired speeds stay low, swap Ethernet cables and test again. If the router is older than 4 years, consider replacing it. Make sure to check modem logs and run a traceroute to spot flaky hops. If problems persist, contact your ISP with your data. They can check line quality or provision a higher plan. Keep calm and present measured results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.